which is better investment, 6% rupees 100 shares at rupees 120 or 8% rupees 10 shares at rupees 15? Almost similar question, even better question as compared to 22. In question number 22, face value was not given, so we have to consider that face value was 100, but here face value is also given. See what is given, 6% means dividend percent. Face value is rupees 100, market value is rupees 120, and for second share dividend percent is 8%, face value is rupees 10 and market value is rupees 15. So we are going to compare out of these two which one is better one. Okay, so let's see how I have solved the sum. First of all, I have written which is better investment, 6% rupee 100 shares at 120 or 8% rupee 10 share at rupees 15. So first of all, calculation for the first share, given that dividend percent is 6%, face value is rupees 100 and market value is rupee 120. So what is the rate of return? Again we did the same thing. I have written dividend upon total investment into 100. Neither dividend is calculated nor total investment is given, so what we have done, we have just written the formula of dividend and formula of total investment. So here is d percent, dividend percent into face value into number of shares into 100, and for total investment we have written market value into number of shares. Now number of shares cancelled, 100 cancelled, so what is the remaining thing? Dividend percent into market value upon dividend percent into face value upon market value. Now we are going to put the values. In place of d percent we will write 6%, in place of face value we will write 100, and in place of market value we will write 120, and in this way we will calculate the rate of return on first type of share. And what is that? See, I put the value and this is 5%. 6 into 100 upon 120, 0 cancel, 6 to 12, 2 5 10. So 5% rate of return you will get on first type of share. Now what about second share? Similarly, rate of return on second type of share, again I have written the same formula, that d percent, dividend percent into face value upon market value. Here I have shown that given that dividend percent for second share is 8%, face value of the second type of share is rupees 10, this is not 100, this is 10. Okay, market value of one share is rupees 15. So we use the all the values, 8 into 10 upon 15 we calculated, and we got this is 5 whole 1 by 3%, and we know that 5 whole 1 by 3 is more than 5%. So investment on 8% rupees 10 shares at rupees 15 is more profitable. See, in this question I ended the statement in different way, and in previous question in different way. You may choose any one, both are correct. Okay children, now coming to question number 24. A man invests rupees 10,080 rupees in 6% 100 rupees shares at rupees 112. Try to understand what is given. This is total investment given. Okay, 6% dividend percent is given, and 100 rupees shares means this is face value of one share, and at rupees 112 this is market value of the same share. Okay, so we can calculate number of shares when you will divide total investment